lot of people in public clicking themselves or like clicking their partners or their friends. So what's your opinion about that?
So, I mean, the truth is, a lot of people can click themselves for years without any problems. You may even have a lot of relief, whether it be your back, your knuckles, any specific areas. The thing is though, when you come to see a trained healthcare professional, an osteopath, a chiropractor, they will do a proper assessment, meaning they will find any limitations, any restricted segments, and treatment will be very targeted. Does that make sense? So you're more likely to benefit from a professionally performed HVT.
C7 on the right, going on the left. We're going to C3, C5 area, left rotation, side bending.